Hello, good day, guys. How is your weekend going? So, today I'm going to be analyzing um USDJPY before the opening of the market, and then we are going to be not only this, I'm going to be analyzing Euro USD too and GBP USD. Then finally go to what we should be looking on gold as well. These are the losses that I chopped last week. Yes, back to back. I was in drawdown last week, so I want to position my trading this week to see what I should be expecting. Actually, I did not follow the higher time frame because my projection was the market will still come down. That's why I entered here that the price should come down to this level before I buy up again. But the market will always do what it wants to do, and it hit my surplus when it comes to this level. Can say this demand zone, thought it was fresh, that is going to at least come to this level before selling back, and then it took me out again. But since I have my stop loss in place, there's no need to panic. But I ended the week with um losses with a drawdown. So this week, let me clean all of this, let me delete them so that we can have a clean chart. Stay with me, guys. We are going to learn from this. This is how I approach the market. You need to plan your trade always before you don't just wake up on Monday and start trading. No, trading does not work that way. Doesn't work that way. It's at the level. Actually, I use this to pass my account, my Profem account from this level to this zone. I use it to pass my, but I did not put it here. So first of all, I'm going to start from weekly time frame. What should we be expecting this week on USD JPY? Sorry, let me. Okay, this is it. Let me delete this so that we start it together again. Actually, we can see that the market is in uptrend. USDP JPY is in uptrend. So let me mark this top on weekly. Yes, that is weekly low, weekly high. Sorry, and this is the low, weekly low. This is the extreme low, and this are the intermediate low. Yeah. So there is one low here that the market failed to break. This one here. Sorry. You can see. Let me zoom it so that you can see this place clearly. If you look at this, you can see that this candle break this level and close above. This candle fails to break this one that shows sign of bullish. The week ended, and this one come back, break this candle too. So this week, this candle failed to break this as well. This one now come to clear some liquidity here, and this one fails to go above. So now this is my zone. Now I'll be marking this zone because once market break this level, I can know that okay, at least market might react to some of this level before going up. Yeah, course it's uptrend. I don't want to be thinking of a sell at all until the market shows me that okay, I'm ready to sell. So this is weekly. I move on to the daily. Going to the daily, you can see this. Let me delete this. You can see where the market reject. You can see this. This is where the market rejected from. So this is a strong demand zone. Yes, it's a strong demand zone. Why is it? Okay, it's a strong demand zone. So on the daily, you can see that it reacted to this demand zone. So really going to 4-hour time frame. Oh God, you can see this. Can you see what I'm saying? Let me so that I can see it well. The market rejected this level and closed bullish with this engulfing candle. I'm not going to enter this trade here. I will wait till the opening of the market and see, because the market will still come. Even if it's going to buy, it will still come to this level before it will buy. I will be waiting here, patiently waiting for what is going to happen. So let me go to 1 hour and see what is going on. Okay, if this market could at least break this zone to the upside and come down, then I'll be looking for a buy. And if it breaks here, I will wait for it to retrace. So now my trade idea is going to be like this. Starting to this demand zone. So I'll be looking to the market come back to this level. I will be yes, I will be entering the trade from this level, because I'm expecting this low to be swept. I'm expecting this to be swept, then tap into the trade and I ride it. That is my plan on this. And I'll be targeting the weekly high. Yes, I'll be targeting the weekly high. My first TP will be here, which is 2. Then my overall target will be here, which is fully is going to be 16.68 if it go the way we plan. So that's my analysis on USDJPY. Sorry, I think the network is okay. Sorry guys. So this is my view on USDJPY. But I will be waiting patiently for this. I'll be waiting patiently for it to play out. Then let's check GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's see what it asks for us. Okay, let me start from weekly as we okay. This is the eye. And this is one low. This low was broken from weekly. So, and there is a supply zone here. Yeah, that is how I mark my own supply zone anyway. So the market break this level. So ideally, what we should be expecting from this, looking at this GBP USD now, I know that this market will retrace back to this level before coming down, because you can see it has break this level. So I'm expecting market to come to this supply zone. Let me mark it down. Let me mark it. I will still refine it in. I'm expecting it to come to this zone. So there's going to be, I don't know what would have happened maybe during the weekend. The market might have pulled up to this level, then to start selling on Monday, or it's come down, buy to this up before coming back to this level, before starting the selling overall thing. But this is what I'll be looking on for this. So I'll be expecting to sell from here, because if you are buying USDJPY, automatically you should be selling GBP USD, Euro USD, and all those correlated pair. So if I'm entering sell on GBP USD, I will not even I will not take any trade on USD, Euro USD, because they correlate. If I don't want to risk my trade, my account on the same pair that correlate. So if I'm taking a sell on GBP USD, I will not be taking trade on Euro USD. So on this is I will not be entering from this weekly level. No, I won't do that. I'm just placing this to know what I'll be looking for. I will go to the daily. Let's see what is happening on daily eye. Okay. Okay, let's refine this. Okay, so you can see market broke this. So I'm expecting it to come to this level, or maybe to this level. If the market come to this level, to this line, if it comes straight here, I will buy it up. If it comes here, we might be expecting, let me delete this first. What we should be expecting is that if it come down to this level before going up, so automatically it's going to break this level and react to this. So if it come down here before going up, if the market just open and it stop here, definitely it's coming down. But if the market come down here, so we be buying from this level up to this level. Hope you're with me. I know the it's taking time, but stay with me. You are going to learn one or two. So that is that. This is my analysis on GBP USD. let me go to gold. Since I've analyzed GBP USD, I don't need to. Well, let's look at what Euro USD is doing. Let, let's look at what Euro USD. You can see. Okay, I think Euro USD is looking more juicy. Let me see. Okay, okay. I don't really focus on the past. I want to focus on the current market movement. I don't focus on much on what has happened the past. No, I only want to see what is happening now. That is what I want to work on. Okay, I've marked my zone on weekly. Then let's go to daily. Let's see what is happening there. Okay, on this. Okay, this is the market condition. Market making higher low here. It break this, and what is forming here now? It break this, clearing liquidity. So as for me, there's one thing I'll be doing. I'll stay here calmly and see what the market is going to do. Yes, if it comes down to this level, even if the market open and it reverse here, if I enter for a sell from this level, I'll be targeting this level, because the market might react to this level and started going up before the full move, the sell movement. So I'm not going to do much analysis on this Euro USD. This is what I've plot my zone. Let me see how market reacted to it. So let's go to and see what the almighty gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. Yeah, currently I'm on a position on this. I've entered this trade from here. Can see. So the way this is the way. Actually, it did not tap me in for this second entry. I did not go tap in, but I still leave it anyway. But this position still running. So this is the where I'm expecting market to sell from, based on my strategy and my analysis. At least the market should move from this level to somewhere around here before, even though it's going to buy. So that's that. Let me just go to 4 hour and see. So you can see this market now break this. I don't know if it might comes down straight to this level, or when the market opens, it might have gap up. Let me take it down to this level. If it comes to this level, then I'm selling. I will sell down to somewhere around here. Well, when it come down, and well, I deleted this position before the closure of the market, because since it didn't tap me in on that Friday, I know sometimes gold play crazy, and I've break even on this trade. So nothing to really bother about. So this is my this is just my analysis um on go to. Let's see what the market have for us. Make sure you do your analysis before entering the market, and always prepare before you enter a trade. Always prepare. Do your weekly analysis. Always do that. Stay with me. One love.